Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. 11 wives of Prophet Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam had 11 wives who are called Ummahat al-Mumineen, the mothers of believers. Here are the names, details and brief stories of all 11 wives and a concubine of Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Number 1. Hazrat Khadija bint Khuwailid. Hazrat Khadija bint Khuwailid radhiyallahu ta'ala anha married Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam when she was 40 years and he was 25. She was the first person to embrace Islam. Together, they had 6 children. Khadija radhiyallahu ta'ala anha died 25 years after the marriage at 65 and is buried in Jannatul Maula in Makkah. Number 2. Sauda bint Zaman. Sauda bint Zaman radhiyallahu ta'ala anha was the second wife of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, whom he married after the death of Khadija radhiyallahu ta'ala anha. Immediately after the marriage, Sauda radhiyallahu ta'ala anha took care of the 4 daughters of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Age of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam on second marriage is 50 years, and the age of Sauda radhiyallahu ta'ala anha is 50 years. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam died 13 years after the marriage, and Sauda radhiyallahu ta'ala anha died at the age of 75 years and is buried in Jannatul Baqi. Number 3. Aisha bint Abu Bakr. Hazrat Aisha bint Abu Bakr radhiyallahu ta'ala anha was the third and the youngest wife of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. She was the daughter of Abu Bakr radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu, the first caliph of Islam. It is said that Aisha radhiyallahu ta'ala anha married Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam at the age of 7, but stayed at her parents' place until she reached puberty. Aisha radhiyallahu ta'ala anha was the only virgin wife of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. She has narrated more than 2200 hadiths. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam's age on third marriage is 54 years, and he died 9 years after the marriage. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam died 9 years after the marriage, and Aisha radhiyallahu ta'ala anha died at the age of 65 and is buried in Jannatul Baqi. Number 4. Hafsa bint Umar. Hazrat Hafsa bint Umar radhiyallahu ta'ala anha was the fourth wife of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. She was the daughter of Umar bin Khattab radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu, the second caliph of Islam. She has narrated around 60 hadiths from Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The Prophet's age on fourth marriage was 56 years, while the age of Hafsa was 20 years. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam died 7 years after the marriage, and Hafsa radhiyallahu ta'ala anha died at the age of 60 and is buried in Jannatul Baqi. Number 5. Zainab bint Khuzaimah. Hazrat Zainab bint Khuzaimah radhiyallahu ta'ala anha was the fifth wife of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, whom he married after 1 month of the fourth marriage. Due to her generosity, she was called the mother of beggars, even at a time when she was not a Muslim. Prophet Muhammad's age on fifth marriage was 56 years, while the age of Zainab was 29 years. And Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam died 7 years after the marriage, and Zainab radhiyallahu ta'ala anha died only after 8 months of marriage and is buried in Jannatul Baqi. Number 6. Hind bint Abi Umayyah. Hind bint Abi Umayyah, Salama, was the sixth and the eldest wife of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. She was among the very first people who converted to Islam. She was known in society for her intelligence, political savvy, and fighting activity. Prophet Muhammad's age on sixth marriage was 56 years, and age of Salama on marriage was 32 years. Salama died at the age of 80 and is buried in Jannatul Baqi. Number 7. Zainab bint Jahash. Hazrat Zainab bint Jahash radhiyallahu ta'ala anha was a first cousin and the seventh wife of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. She was the ex-wife of Zayd ibn Haris radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu, the adopted son of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. At that time, people of Arab used to take adopted sons as their real sons with the right to inheritance. To break the taboo, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was instructed to marry Zainab radhiyallahu ta'ala anha. Age of Prophet on seventh marriage was 58 years, while the age of Zainab was 37 years, and she died at the age of 51 and buried in Jannatul Baqi. Number 8. Jaweria bint al-Haris. Hazrat Jaweria bint al-Haris radhiyallahu ta'ala anha was the 8th wife of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. When Muslims defeated Banu al-Mustalik, they captured the daughter of the chief, Jaweria bint al-Haris. She was brought up in the lap of luxury and had all the refinements and graces of a princess with exceptional intelligence and beauty. The age of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam on 8th marriage was 59 years and the age of Jaweria was 20 years. And she died at the age of 50 years and buried in Jannatul Baqi. Number 9. Ramla bint Abu Sufyan. Hazrat Ramla bint Abu Sufyan radhiyallahu anha, Habiba, was the 9th wife of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Habiba embraced Islam in the beginning, although her father Abu Sufyan was the most potent opponent of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The age of Prophet was 59 on 9th marriage, and the age of Ramla was 34 years, and she died at the age of 70 and buried in Jannatul Baqi. Number 10. Safiya bint Hayy ibn Akhtab. After the Battle of Khaybar, Muslims defeated several Jewish tribes. Among them was Banu Nazir. Safiya radhiyallahu anha was the daughter of the chief of the Banu Nazir tribe. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam got married her to strengthen Muslim influence over the Jewish tribe. Safiya bint Hayy ibn Akhtab radhiyallahu anha was the 10th wife of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and she married at the age of 19 years while the Prophet Muhammad's age was 60 years. Safiya radhiyallahu anha died at the age of 60 and is buried in Jannatul Baqi. Number 11. Maimuna bint al-Haris. As a part of the signing of the Treaty of Hudaybiyah, when Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam went to Makkah to perform Umrah, Maimuna bint al-Haris radhiyallahu anha proposed him, which he accepted. She became the 11th and the last wife of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. She was initially named Barra, but Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam named her Maimuna, which meant the blessed one. She was the last of the wives of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam to die in 61 Hijri. Prophet Muhammad's age on 10th marriage, on 11th marriage, was 60 years, while the Maimuna age was 35 years, and she died at the age of 80. She buried in a locality named Sarif, around 20 km from Makkah. Maria Qubtiya. Maria Qubtiya radhiyallahu anha was an Egyptian Coptic Christian concubine who had been sent as a gift from the Muqawqis. Ibrahim ibn Muhammad, a son of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, was born in Maria Qubtiya. However, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam had not married her, so she is not among the mother of believers. Why did Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam marry 11 times? While Muslims are allowed to keep 4 wives at a time, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam married 11 times. Have you ever wondered why it is so? We believe 9 out of his 11 marriages were performed for the following reasons: marriage to the widows of his companions to help their lives, marriage between families to create strong family bonds, for example, marriage with the daughter of Abu Bakr and Umar bin Khattab, spreading the message of Islam by unifying different clans through the act of marriage, and to increase the credibility and the number of sources to convey his private life. Jazakallah. Narrated by Sabeen Abbas. If you like the video, then please comment, share and subscribe the channel. Jazakumullah khairan kathira.